guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a bunny using things from Dollar Tree. First you're going to need, let me sit my little dog down real quick. First you're going to need one of these cute little bunnies. It just says yard steak, and we got this at Dollar Tree. My kids thought it kind of looked like a fly swatter, so I picked up 2 of these. And what we did is my husband took these 10 snips and he cut off the little whiskers and he cut off the little yard steaks at the bottom. Okay, you're going to need some yarn, and this is the chenille chunky yarn, and it's Mainstays brand from Walmart. So you're going to need some yarn, a tail, a little fluffy tail. This is also from Dollar Tree, and it just clips on. I picked up a couple of these pom-pom kits at Dollar Tree also. You will need some ribbon, and this came from Dollar Tree. And then I also have my hot glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, and some wire. So we're gonna start with this one, and give me just a second and we'll be right back and we'll get started. Okay, what you're going to want to do is you're gonna take your yarn and you're gonna flip your bunny over to the back side, and you're going to hot glue your yarn down so it will stay. So let me put a little hot glue down. You're just going to fold it over and let it dry for just a second. Okay, this has had a second to dry. So now what we're going to do is just wrap the yarn around the bunny frame and just get it as close together as you can without overlapping. So you're going to make it nice and soft and fluffy. And as you can see, it's getting fluffy like a nice soft blanket. So I'm going to just keep going around and around. Try not to leave any spaces, and every so often you might want to add just a little glue so that it stays in place and doesn't slide. Okay, you can also add a little glue to the corners. I'll show you on this side. I'm just adding a little dot of glue right here. That way it doesn't slide down and it stays nice and straight. So just add a little glue to the sides if you need to and hold it for a few seconds. Okay, and then I'm just going to keep wrapping all the way around. And I'm going to stop every so often, and I think it's easier just to add a little bit of glue to the side of the frame to keep the pink from showing. So just add a little glue every once in a while. You don't have to do it every time. And we'll just go ahead and finish wrapping the entire bunny frame, and then I'll be back to show you how it looks. Okay, I have come to the bottom. This right here is this little tail, and what I did was I just glued a little on each side so that it would stay lined up good, and I also added a little in the center so it would stay down. So I'm gonna cut this off right here, and we'll just hot glue the end right here to the back. Okay, and so this is how the front looks so far. We will start working on its little ears next. Okay, we're going to work on the bunny's ears next. So let me find the end. Okay, and this is the front of the bunny. So I'm going to go to the back, and I'm just going to run a little strip of glue across it and place my yarn on it. Let it dry for just a little bit. And then it's real simple for the ears. You're just gonna take your yarn and just go around its little ears. Just like that, keeping it pulled tight. I'll add a little bit of glue. Hold this for just a little bit, and then I'm gonna cut this off and glue it to the back. Okay, same steps for his left ear. Just gonna turn it over to the back. I'm gonna add a little bit of glue to the bottom of the ear. I'm gonna take my yarn and wrap it around the bottom and hold for just a little bit. Flip it back over. Same steps. Keep it wrapped tightly around his little ears. Then you'll want to add some hot glue. Keep it tight. I'm going to add some more hot glue to the top. Kind of tricky at the very top, so you just kind of have to play with it. I want that to go over one more time, so I'm going to try to make it work. Add a little more glue. I didn't mean to get my finger in it. Okay, we're going to hold that and see how that works. Okay, next I am going to add his little cottontail, and it just clips on. So right here is where his little tail is, because he's kind of facing to the side. So I'm just going to clip it on just like that. And then I am going to make a little bow to put around the neck, and I may add a little bow to the ear. Okay, I've decided I'm gonna go with this little pink ribbon, and it's 5/8 of an inch wide, and it's from Dollar Tree. It's got pretty gold polka dots. And what I'm gonna do is, I want it to kind of have a little bit of a neck, so I'm just going to take and tie just a simple bow using this ribbon. So nothing fancy. I'm gonna just try to make sure it's straight across the back and bring my sides up, make sure my ribbon's the same length. I'm just gonna tie a regular bow like you would your shoelaces. And I think I want it to actually end up over here on this little side. So just take and just tie like you would your shoelaces. Okay, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. So how its little ears look. It's got a cute little bow around its neck, and then its little tail. And I think I'm gonna leave it just like this and not add a face or anything, because I think it looks cute like this. But you can add a face if you want. But I just think it looks so cute. And like I said, it's fluffy and soft like a blanket. So what I think I'm gonna do is make another one, and I'm going to add a blue ribbon around the other one's neck and have a little girl bunny and a little boy bunny. And this is really simple to make. And the back is not as pretty, of course, because where I had to glue down the yarn, but it's all soft so it won't scratch your door or anything. And this would also look cute in a little baby's nursery. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how cute the little bunny looks hanging on the wall. So I think it turned out really cute, and it's so simple to do and inexpensive. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thank you so much for watching.